Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, before we begin, let me introduce myself briefly. My name is Stiffany Equinna and I'm studying at Phonology University, majoring in English literature. Now, I will simulate how to pronounce consonant sounds. One, plosive consonant. Plosive consonants are made by completely blocking the flow of air is to leave the body. Example: purse, bell, tug, stop, done, played, queen, excited, gone, and exhaust. Number two, fricative consonant. Fricative consonants are made by squeezing air between a small gap as it leaves the body. Example: far, safe, ting, tooth, ras, zoo, rice, sharp, sugar, Asia, blazer, ahead. Number three, affricates consonant. Affricates consonant sounds are made by starting with a plosive and immediately blending into a fricative. Example: cheese, catch, agenda, and char. And then number four, nasal consonant. Nasal consonant made by blocking air in the mouth and releasing sound through the nose. Example: Sam, next, working, and think. Number five, approximant consonant. Approximant consonants are made bringing two articulate close together without them touching as sound leaves the body. Example: when, quiet, once, wrote, yawn, and few. That's enough for me. I hope it's useful, and thank you. Bye.